Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Niplix. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to how to find the sum of digits of a number in C. So let's start my program with the main function. I'm going to take an n variable with the value of 153, a d variable and a sum variable. So I need to assign a value of sum to 0 because if I'm not going to assign a default value to this sum variable, whenever I'm going to plus this value with another value, it will give me a junk value, right? So in order to plus it with some other number, I need to provide its value to 0. Otherwise, it will be picking up a junk value. So moving to the next part, I will I will make this program with the help of while loop because in while loop, it's more easy to understand the logical and the depth concept of C. So I'm going to do as while n is greater than 0. I'm going to explain it in the details. Let me write and complete this. So sum equals to sum plus d, n equals to n divided by 10. And outside the loop, I will be printing as printf %g and now the sum variable, right? So moving to its explanation, I'm going to take as n variable. Then n is greater than 0 because I have written this in my loop statement. Then the d variable and the sum variable because sum I'm going to take because you like we have to sum the all numbers, the digits of a number. So let's start by solving this program. So n is 153. I will put a value of 153 over here. So d and sum I have declared, d and sum is declared. So n is greater than 0. Let's start. N is greater than 0. So 153 is greater than 0. Yeah, definitely it's greater than 0. So now 153 divided by 10. See, like whenever I'm going to divide it with the 10, so let's do in the calculator. So 153 divided by 10. So right now it's giving me 15.3, but if I'm going to divide it as in the paint, let's start. So it's 153. So I'm going to divide it with 10. 10 on the 10. So now it's 5 and 3. So 10, 5 the 50. So it's 50. And now the remainder becomes 3. Right? So when I'm going to divide 153 by 10, so the remainder comes as 3. And here, what I'm going to do here is in my program, it's 153 and is having a value of 153. And when I'm going to divide it by 10, here it's percentage or a modulus sign that has been placed. What does it mean? It means that it will be picking up my remainder part, not the quotient part. The percentage will always pick my remainder part. So when I'm going to divide 153 by 10, it gives me the remainder as 3. So remainder 3, it will be shifting to my d variable. So d currently will be holding a value of 3. So I think it's clear. So D is currently having the value of 3. Sum is right now 0 with me. 0 plus D means 0 plus D is having a value of 3. Right now sum will be having a value of 3. So then n equals to n divided by 10. The right hand side will be executed first. N is having a value of 153. 153 divided by 10 means it's divisible sign, so it will pick up the quotient part. When it will be picking up my quotient part, so it will be becoming n will be becoming 15 now, because when I'm going to divide 153 by 10, so the question will be containing the value of 15, and that 15 value will be assigned to n variable. So again the loop will be the condition will be checked again, and now n is having a value of 15, so 15 is greater than 0. Definitely it is greater than 0. Then 15 divided by 10. So now I'm going to divide 15 by 10. So let's delete this. Now I'm going to divide 15 by 10. So 15 now will be coming inside 10, 10, 1, 10 or 1, 10, and now it becomes 5. So the remainder becomes 5. So now like what it will be doing is when 15 is divided by 10, it is modulus, so remainder will be 5 because 5. So sum is having the old value of sum is 3 because in the last loop we have updated the sum value is 3. So old value of sum is 3 and the new value of d is 5 right now because 15 divided by 10 becomes the remainder becomes 5. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So sum will be holding a value of 8 in its second iteration. So now n is currently the value of 15. 15 divided by 10. When I'm going to divide 15 by 10, it becomes 1 in your quotient part. So right now it's become 1. So it becomes 1, and now we are going to update in this n variable. So again the condition is being checked, 1 is greater than 0, 1 is definitely greater than 0. Then I'm going to divide 1 by 10. So now I'm going to divide it by 10. So it's 1, it's 10. So 10, 0, 0 because it is an integer type variable. So the points will not come. So now the remainder becomes 1. So 1 becomes a reminder. And now whenever 1 is divided by 10 and remainder is 1, so we will be having a value of 1. So the old value of sum is 8 and the new value of t is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So here it becomes 9. So sum becomes 9. So sum becomes 9, and when I am going to divide 1 by 10, the remainder will always having a value of 0. So now I'm going to update it as so 1 divided by 10 and will be containing the value of 0. So again it will be checking in this part that 0 is greater than 0. No, because 0 is equals to 0, but we have written here as 0 is greater than 0. So condition becomes false and the loop will be break and printf sum. So last value of sum is 9 and it will print the value of 9. So basically it's 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 3 9. So 9 will be the my answer. So this is the program in which you can find sum of digit of a number in C. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel for getting all the latest update of your programming languages. Thank you.